Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about history for class 6th, chapter number 1, when, where and how for part 3. In previous class we have completed, means we have learnt part 1 and part 2. So what we have learnt in that parts? So we have learnt about history. What is history? Who was the father of history? Who was first historian? And what is the history? What is the Greek word of history? And also we have learnt in previous class about dates. We know that BC, AD, BCE and CE. And sources of history. The history can be divided into two categories: archaeological source and literary source. In archaeological sources are monuments, inscriptions, coins and artifacts. We have learnt in previous class these all. And also literary source. These are religions, secular and foreign accounts. So these are coming in literary source. So they complete in previous only completed chapter number 1, when, where and how. And today's topic, chapter number 1, exercise part. Question number A, choose the correct answers. See here, so I am writing on board questions. Question number 1, a historian is an expert who dash. Option A, reconstructs our past. Option B, studies the human body. Option C, studies natural and physical sciences. Option D, predicts the future. These options are there here. Question number 1, the historian is an expert. Option A, reconstructs our past. Option B, studies the human body. Option C, studies natural and physical sciences. And option D, predicts the future. So which answer is correct here? The historian. So historian means, see here, history is the study of past events. So right answer is they reconstruct our past. Reconstruct our past. So this is the right answer of question number 1. And see here, question number 2. Okay, see here. Question number 2 is the next question. Numismatics. Numismatics is the study of dash. Option A, coins. Option B, inscriptions. Option C, skeletons. Option D, maps. Okay, see here. Question number 2, numismatics is the study of dash. Option A here given, coins. Option B, inscriptions. Option C, skeleton. And option D, maps. We know that we have learned in this chapter coins. Numismatic is the study of coins. Okay. And next, question number 3. The Allahabad inscription is a eulogy to dash. Option A, Samudragupta. Okay, Samudragupta. Option B, Ramagupta. Option C, Sri Gupta. Option D, Chandragupta. Okay. Question number 3. The Allahabad inscription is a eulogy to dash. So options are there here. Option A, Samudragupta. Option B, Ramagupta. Option C, Sri Gupta. And option D, Chandragupta. The right answer is there, Samudragupta. The Allahabad inscription is a eulogy to Samudragupta. See here, Samudragupta. Okay, next question, question number 4. See here, I am continuing. Question number 4. The two great epics of India are dash. Option A, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata. And next, option B, the Gita and the Puranas. The Gita and the Puranas. Option C, the Mahabharata. The Mahabharata and the Odyssey. Option D, the Arthashastra. The Arthashastra and the Manimekalai. Manimekalai. Okay. Question number 4. The two great epics of India are dash. Options are given here. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Option B, the Gita and the Puranas. Option C, the Mahabharata and the Odyssey. And option D, the Arthashastra and the Manimekalai. The right answer is the Ramayana and the Mahabharata is the right answer of question number 4. Means the two great epics of India are the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Okay. So next, question number 5. Question number 5. See here. Megasthenes wrote dash. Option A, the Arthashastra. Option B, the Indica. Option C, the Jatakas. Option D, the Abhijana Shakuntalam. Abhijana Shakuntalam. Okay, see here. Question number 5. Megasthenes wrote dash. Option A, the Arthashastra. So Kautilya wrote Arthashastra. Option B, the Indica. The Megasthenes wrote Indica. The Jatakas and the Abhijana Shakuntalam. The Megasthenes wrote the Indica. The Indica. Okay. See here. Here today's topic means today's concept exercise part completed here. So once again I am repeating that all questions. Choose the correct answers. Question number 1. A historian is an expert who reconstructs the past. Question number 2. Numismatics is the study of coins. Question number 3. The two great epics means question number 3 is the Allahabad inscriptions is Eulogy 2, Samudragupta. And question number 4. The two great epics of India are the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Question number 5. Megasthenes wrote which book? Indica. Okay students, I hope today's class understood you, but you make it 200 pages book for history. So I sent books list. In that social science book, 3 books are there. One for history, one for geography, one for political science. But in today's class, chapter 1, when, where and how, exercise, choose the correct answers, you should be right, 200 pages history book. I hope today's class you understood, and next class I am continuing in next class means next period. Thank you.